too much love anymore. It's as high as a mountain and harder to climb. Nobody gets too much heaven.
Alam niyo, ang ganda na. Ang ganda na siya. Alam mo guys, paglaruan niyo yan, yung kanta kasi can accommodate. Pag yung nag-iisa-isa na kayong vocals, you can look at each other eh.
Pwede po.
O, pwede kayong magano na, nagtitingin na kayo. Tapos pag maganda ng chorus, bigay niyo sa audience. Pero ang ganda na ng blending niyo. That's really excellent. Okay. Okay, good.
Puno lang kaya, no?
You just have to be with your height, Miguel. Because you're big. Okay?
Can you chat ko?
Okay? Asan yung microphone? Ayaw mo, Bani?
Uy, pakita nyo kay direct gagawin nyo, pwede ba?
Hihiya si Mami. Halika na. Baby girl. Ano yung ginagawa mo, anak?
Lyrics.
Alam mo, maganda yun. Dahil yung lalo yung isa-isa kayo nagkaano, pwede yung kakaharapan kayo doon, tapos biglang, somebody gets, bigay nyo sa audience. Ano, ganda na ng blending.
Hindi po, walang nag-overpower naman.
Ganda blending. Tinensa, no? Ganda blending. Ganda rin yung sa inyo. Ganda. Ikaw na-compose dito na content. Straight through the fire, ha? Ang ganda ng through the fire. Tapos yung ending.
Papasok lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, go.
Hindi ko nagagawa yun. 1, 2, 3, the time. 1, 2, 3, the time. Nabusin ako sa okay.
The tide is high, but I'm holding on. I'm gonna be your number one. I'm not the kind of girl who gives up just like that. Oh no, it's not the things you do that tease and hurt me bad, but it's the way you do the things you do to me. I'm not the kind of girl who gives this time all again. Oh no, every time that I get the feeling, you give me something to believe in. Every time that I got you near me, another way that I want it to be. But you know I'm gonna take my chance now. I'm gonna make it happen somehow. And you know I can take the pressure. Moments paid for a lifetime pleasure. The tide is high, but I'm holding on. I'm gonna be your number one. Number one. Number one. The tide is high.
Wala yung hinalakas natin. Ako lagi na tayo miss.
Magkamali ka sa lyrics, dapat naririnig yung nota. Kahit na nagkakamali ka sa lyrics, dapat yung nota lumalabas. Kaya pagtahin mo yung nota.
Who gives up just like
Game. Parinig ka direct.
Igit na natin.
Duet ninyo.
If something to believe in.
Walang tigil walang titigil. Kahit nagkamali,
Yung
tuloy
holding
mo lang.
natin. Holding. Dapat holding. Papagayon tayo sa holding.
Ito lang ibibigay na pitch, ha?
Ready?
The tide is high, but I'm